This is Video by Richmond. Today we're working on a Saturn S series, and this happens to be a 1998 model with the standard transmission. And what we're doing today is we are checking the fluid in the transmission. It has a dipstick, which is kind of rare with a car with a manual transmission. Now, if we look down here behind the battery, we will see that little red lever right down there. That is the dipstick. So, we'll go down there and we lift up on it. Slide it out. And there it is. I added this white piece of plastic on there to give it some better tightness in the transmission. So it's just like any other dipstick. Wipe it off, put it back in, and you can check it. See, look at it. It's got the marks on it right there. Add line, maximum line. Now, what if you had to fill it? Well, that gets a little dicey because it's way down in there. What you're going to need is like a long transmission funnel. Get down in there. Just like that. See, it's got a long neck to it. And then the funnel is way up here. Just like that. Easy peasy. Alright, so that's all there is to checking the fluid level of your standard transmission Saturn S series.